1000 grams. By using this, we can convert 190 grams into kgs and also 285 grams into also kgs. Now here given is 190 grams. So if you convert this 190 grams is equal to kg, we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Kilo means 1000, that's why 1 kilogram. That implies 190 grams is equal to 190 divided by 1000 kg. 190 divided by 1000 kg. So here this 0 and this 0 is cancelled. 19 by 100 kgs. If you divide this, here 2 zeros in the denominator, though we can write it as 0.1, and after 0 we can write 2 digits. After 0 we can write 2 digits because we have 100 in the denominator. Or if you divide this normally, 100 here and 19. So 100 is greater than 19. So put 0 here, put 0 and decimal point. So add 0 here. How many times in 190? 1 time. 100 here. So 190 minus 100 is equal to 90. Now here we put 0 here. That's why we put point here, decimal point. That's why we have to add 0. So in 900, 100 how many times? 9 times. So 900 minus 900 is equal to 0. So the answer is 0.19 kgs. Like that we have to convert the 90 by 100. Convert 90 by 100 into 0.19 kgs. This is the 190 grams is equal to 0.19 kg. Like that we have to convert 285 grams into kgs. Now see here, 285 grams is equal to 285 divided by 1000. 285 divided by 1000 kgs. This is kilograms because we are dividing 285 with 1000. That's why it could be converted into kgs. Now 285 divided by 1000 is 0. Here 3 zeros in the denominator. 1000 has 3 zeros, so 3 zeros in the denominator. After point we have to write 3 digits. So 0.285. Or if you divide this normally, 1000 here, 285 and 285 is much less than 1000. So I am adding decimal point here. So 0 is added here. Now how many times in 2080? 2 times. 2000. Now 850 is the remainder because we are subtracting here. So add 0 here because we are there is a decimal point. So in 8500, 8 times 8 into 1000, 8000. So 5000 is the remainder. Now add 0. How many times? 5 times. 5 into 1000, 5000. 5000 minus 5000 is equal to 0. Like that, we have to convert this 200 by 1000 into decimal numbers. 0.285 is the answer. So 0.285 kgs. Okay, children? Okay, children, see here second question. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. So we can write this number in the expanded form. You know that place values, this is 1's place and this is 10's place and this is 1 by 10's place. 1 by 10's place means 10's, T-E-N-T-H-S, 10's place. This is 10's place. So if you write this as, you can write this as 5 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 5 into 10's place means 1 by 10. 10's means 1 by 10. 10's means 10. See here 10's place means 10 we have to multiply with 10. 10's place means we have to multiply with 1 by 10. Okay children, see the difference here. This is 10th place and this is 10th place. That's why I am multiplying here with 10 and here with 1 by 10. See another example here. 6.059. So it is 1st place, it is 10th place, it is 100th place, 100th, and this is thousandths. Okay children, this is thousandths place. Now we can write it as 6 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100 plus 9 into 1 by 1000, because this is thousands. Thousands means 1 by 1000. 1000 means 1000. 1000 means 1000. Thousands means 1 by 1000. That's why I am multiplying here with 1 by 1000 and also here with 1 by 100. This is the exponent form of this number. Okay children, see this question. Second part question, write the place value of 3 in the following. So here some numbers are given, how to write the place values of the numbers. So here he is asking for 3's place value. So here, see here, it is 1's place, it is 1 by 10's place, 1 by 10's place, 1 by 100's place, means 100's place and 10's place. So here it is 1's place, so 3 is in 1's place, so the place value of 3 is, place value of 3 is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Okay children, here it is in 1's place, that's why I am multiplying in the 1. If it is in 10's place, I have to multiply with 10. So see here, it is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, it is 1 by 10's place, 1 by 100's place and 1 by 1000's place. So 3 is in 1 by 100's place. Therefore place value of 3 is 3 into 1 by 100, that is equal to 3 by 100. 3 by 100 means 0.03. After decimal point we have to place 2 digits. Okay children, after decimal point we have to place 2 digits, that's why 0.03. Here 3 is in 1 by 10's place, it is 1's place and it is 10's place. It is in 1 by 10's place, so place value of 3 is 3 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 3 by 10, that is equal to 0.3. Okay. See here children, next question. Arjun and Radha started their journey from 2 different paths, A and E. Here Arjun is started from A and Radha is started from E. Arjun is started from this point and Radha is started from this point. Okay. Arjun choose the path from A to B to then to C. Arjun choose this path from A to B. From A to B, Arjun started here and walking in this path and then to C and then reach to C. Now while Radha choose the path from E to D then to C. Radha choose this path from E to D, from this path and to C. Radha choose this path. Now find the distance traveled more and by how much. So here asking for total distance traveled by whom and how much. So here we have to find the distance traveled by Arjun and distance traveled by Radha, and who traveled much distance. So see here children, first of all I am finding Arjun's traveling distance and then Radha's traveling distance. So Arjun total traveled distance equal to, if you see here, our mind started from A and then to B. A to B, what is the distance here? A to B plus B to C. We have to add the distance between A and B and the distance between B and C, because this path she chooses. So here A to B distance is 9.50 kilometers plus, and B to C is 2.40 kilometers. Now add these two numbers. If you add 9.50 and 2.40, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Total distance is 11.90 kilometers. Okay, children? Now Radha's distance. Radha total travel distance is equal to, Radha started from E to D. Started from here E and then from here to D she traveled first. Then D to C. So E to D plus distance between E and D plus distance between D and C. So E to D is 8.25 kilometers and D to C is 3.75 kilometers. Now add these two numbers, 8.25 plus 3.75. 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. 4 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So she traveled 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers. Which is more? 12 kilometers is greater than 11.90 kilometers. So here asking for who traveled more distance. Radha traveled more distance. Radha traveled more distance than Aruna. By how much distance we have to subtract here? 12 minus 11.09. Do this in rougher. 12 minus 11.90. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 9, difficult because 9 is greater than 0, so I am taking borrow from here, it becomes 10, 10 minus 9, 1. Point, here 1, because we are taking borrow 1 minus 1, 0 and 1 minus 1, 0. 0.10 by 0.10 kilometers. More distance by 0.10 kilometers. Okay, children? Okay, children, do these two problems as homework and express the following in kilograms, and I will write the expanded form for the following. So see here, 44 kgs and 80 grams. So don't need to convert this 44 kgs because it is given in kgs. Convert this 80 grams into kgs and then add these two numbers. Okay, children, thank you, bye.